Landrover 110 pickup, 1996 year of manufacture, and it's been involved in 1-2 things that have stalled it. So we've been working on it for quite a while. Now we intend to go deep into the minor things that we've left out. So the truck, as you can see, has a bit of wear on the paintwork. Panels are a bit bent. It's missing a snorkel, an air inlet, but it's a nice truck. It's mechanically sound. The back cabin, which is the carrier bucket, is missing. As you can see, we've undone it. The reason being, we intend to repair a few cracks here and there on the chassis. If you look at this closely, I don't know if you can see it, but right there on the brake line, just above the brake line, you can see a little bit of a crack and a bit of rust on the bucket brackets. So this is why the tab had to get out. So we're going to work on this the next few weeks. The suspension is fine, but we need to do a few replacements, especially on the springs. The shock absorbers are new. Mechanically, the differentials are perfect condition. The transfer case is complete, gearbox, everything is complete. So we've undone the seats. It's been painted on the interior. It's a black, gloss black. So we have to return the finishings, the roof liner, the tray that covers the wires there on the dash. We also have to return the covers of these panels. And, as you can see, it's the back of the cabin is held up by sticks. This what is in place of the tab, because the tab slots under. The door panels are missing. We intend to replace that. If you look at the rear cross member, it is bent due to overloading of the tab. This is something we're about to work on. It will require a bit of metal work and welding. The fuel tank is fine. It's complete and properly installed. But if you look here on this side, you will notice, probably I think you've already noticed, that the diesel filter is bypassed. So these are the minor things that we need to replace. So if you walk with me, you look at the clocks and see that the clocks are new, pretty in good condition. They are used, but from a functional truck. And if you look at the mileage, only hit about 68,000 kilometers. So the truck is in good condition. A bit of welding on the bulkhead to do away with some rusting, but we intend to do sound deadening, so all that will be hidden. So if we walk forward to the hood and let me lift this up. I think if you look at the engine, it's a 300 TDI. It's in very good condition. It's in working condition. Everything is functional. The brake boosters, the brake lines are all okay. The air inlet, we're lacking at snorkel, which we'll work on. The wiper fluid is good, but we are missing that fuse box that has to be replaced. With such low mileage, if you look at the oil is fine. Had done service before we packed it here. So we intend to change all that, do away with the grills, get a new one. The lights are good and functional. The wiring is okay and complete. So I think I'll guide you step by step as I work on this project. I hope you'll be great fans and enjoy. So grab a beer and let's go!